Alrighty, hi everyone. I hope I'm clearly visible and audible. This is Varisha here, live after a year actually. It's actually been a year, and I can't say I'm nervous. I'm anxious really, because I think I have lost my habit of going live all the time. And I had kind of got used to the whole drill, and now I feel like there's so much that's happened in the last 1 year, and I've just been rushing today from pillar to post, trying to finish a lot of things, and I made it 3 minutes late for my live. No matter how much one tries to fit into a day, I think Mumbai life is such that it just does not permit you to do everything bang on time. But I think it's still okay. One has to keep trying, and sometime or the other we will eventually get there. For those of you who joined my live right now, I am here as a representative of the brand that I'm so proud of, the Wedding School, and I'm here on behalf of an entire team, rather an army, that puts this entire brand together and makes things possible for all the wedding aspirants who reach out to us. Hi to everyone, and waving back to everyone who is waving at me right now. And I'm doing well. Thank you very much for checking on me. And I am sitting right now in a place in Mumbai, and I'm not anywhere else. I'm very much in Mumbai. I am at, I think, one of the most crowded suburbs, Andheri. Not exactly my regular adda, but I think the music industry and the entertainment industry belongs here, no matter how much we may try to refute it, but it does. So whenever the entertainment space is calling me, that's where I have to be. Prajwal is asking, any job openings in India? Yeah, lots. What are you talking about? Too many job opportunities. It's just a question of when, where, how, and how amazingly and quickly can you network with the right people, approach them with all humility, and how talented are you. And equal to talent would be how aggressively focused are you, because aggression and focus need to go hand in hand to be able to work in this very super competitive space. And I'm saying hello to everyone, hello to all my amazing students who are here. And I have no idea how I have managed to get this fancy color option, but I'm kind of liking it. It's making me feel like I've gone back in time. Hi Hemant. Hemant is asking me, where am I? I am in this nice cozy little place, which is looking super rundown, as you can see, but it's not that rundown. I think it's given me one of my very productive meetings just 2 hours back. I'm very kicked about what I'm exploring. And Hemant, I'm not going to give out the name of the restaurant, otherwise I know you will end up coming here. And see this, I'm living all these features. And I think I'm going to keep exploring Insta Live as I keep talking to all of you. But yes, today I'm here with a special reason. The reason is that we are back with our course. The reason is that we are back with our utmost passionate drive to make sure that we are getting the best of the talent into our industry. And I am always crazy and wanting to do the best. For this space, it's a struggle, I can tell you that, and it's not a struggle to get great talent. I think I would be echoing the sentiments of many wedding planners across India. It's a struggle to retain great talent. That's just the way life is. I think that's just how edgy this new gen is. But whilst we are on with the struggle, I'm also equally excited that for every 10 people who may decide to exit this industry, we have 100 who want to sign up, who want to come here and do their thing and be a part of this creative, crazy space, which is only getting more and more competitive. And thus we have the wedding school trying to help you do your best in a field which is exceptional, but very unpredictable, extremely demanding. I think our clients are actually, in a way, our competitors because everyone has grown so fond of planning weddings that you are just so consumed in trying to service them and bring out your creativity and fit into their budgets. You know, all of this is what we indulge in, and all of this is what we train you in at the school. Our course is starting on the 20th of July, and I'm really excited. I'm equally relieved that the dates of WOW Awards Asia got postponed, so that I'm able to give a little more time to my school. Although I was already doing enough, that's what I feel, but anything is just never enough in our space and our line of work. So yeah, here we are with our two courses, wedding planning, design decor. Just, I think it was day before yesterday that I got a chance to interact with some of you who are planning to enroll for the course, and some of you who are considering it. And it was nice to see where the talent is coming from, which is different parts of India, and those from different age groups, from different choices of careers and professions, some who are still students, some who are already working. But I had a great time interacting with those who are interested in joining us and wanting to be a part of the wedding industry, and I can only encourage you to do so. It's a game of patience, and on our Friday lives we are here to answer any kind of questions that you may have, just about weddings in general, about the career options, or it could just be about the course itself. So if you have any questions, you can keep shooting it, as I'm going to quickly say hello to everyone who's joined us here. Amir, Mehek, Manoj, Sayam. Hi Sayam, I'm seeing you after very long. Riturat sir, hello, hello, hello. Good to see you with us. I don't know if Hemant is still with us, so he was here some time back. I've got Tanushree here. Hi, hope you're doing well. Riturat sir, we have to do a combined live, and hopefully very, very, very soon. And congratulations to you. I have had a personal liking for Dehradun for many reasons, and I'm glad that you have decided to open another home actually over there, and I'm sure you're going to turn it into paradise, and I wish that I get an opportunity to be a part of it in some way or the other. But sir, please do tell me if I can do a live with you anytime in the coming weeks. I would love to do that, but it's only got to be a Friday. Raj, hello to you. And Priyansh is here. Priyansh, I'm assuming it's Priyansh from Bareilly. Please reply back. If it is, we have a new member who's joined our team from Bareilly, playing a gamble and looking at setting up life in Mumbai, a crazy city. But I think Priyansh will get there, and I hope we are a part of that journey with him. Aman is here. Ma'am, please DM me any leads for production. Sure, Aman. What am I supposed to DM you? People who want production work to be done by you, or are you a freelancer and you want to work on the production of events? We'll have to say something. Riturat sir is writing a week's holiday for you. Yes, after WOW, yes. I think actually, sir, you will have to give this to me, and I'm going to demand that I get it from you, but not after WOW, after the Gourmet Fest, because that is exactly 15 days after WOW. So you can imagine right now Norton Key is running on double track, but I think we have amazing talent working with us, and those who can sustain and survive working with me, I think they deserve a separate award, so I'm going to constitute that for them so that they hang in there. And I have somebody from the team of WOW also who's joined us here, so thank you for that. And a big hello to everyone. Aman, you are saying Leeds. Yaar, Leeds ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं. Tell me if you are looking at wedding planners or you are looking at a client who is looking out for somebody in production. पूरा समझाओ. Rituraj sir has replied, anytime, just let me know. Yes sir, I'm going to let you know, and I know I'll have to book your time in advance. But we are looking forward to celebrating your birthday with us at WOW. Nida is here. Hello ma'am, it's nice to see you after a long time. And still beautiful. Thank you Nida, and I hope I will stay beautiful. Right now some crazy effect has come in, so I like this whole dungeon look. I think I'm going to travel to Andheri every time to do this live. My lipstick color is also looking gaudy. My skin is also shining because this is all thanks to all the multiple filters which I just kept experimenting, and I've landed with this now. Waving back to everyone who's joined us here, but let me tell you, Nida, it's this happiness on my face definitely has a lot to do with me coming live on my favorite page, The Wedding School. It also comes from the fact that I have amazing support and partnership with people like Hemant and Sweetie and Harsh and Usha ma'am and my lovely friends who have so much of faith in me and keep pushing me to go beyond the regular. And I'm supposed to never be tired and never exhausted and never low. So while I find that too much to live up to, but I think, you know, what is life if there is no expectation from you? So I'm going to keep staying on, and I hope you're doing well, Nida. I shall stay positive always. Waving back to everyone who is joining us here. So this season and this prep for the new course, we are doing a special series on Insta which is called the ABC of Weddings, where every week we are going to be dabbling into one alphabet and what it stands for. So this live of mine is just like an intro where I just wanted to, I was getting too excited, so I just wanted to say hello to everyone. And we will be learning the alphabets that make weddings the industry that it is. And I will get a chance to talk to you more about what are the recent challenges that we are facing, what is it that the youngsters can do to improve the industry, because I really feel that every industry can only grow if the future generation, the next in line, is interested. Just yesterday we were talking about the next gen becoming a part of our industry and why aren't the kids interested. And that's a matter of concern, because I want interesting stories for our industry where you have people saying that this business was started by my great-grandfather, you know, like the Kapoor Khandan in the movie business. I want these kind of stories. I don't want this to be just a first-gen excitement entrepreneurial venture and then we shut shop and then there's nobody taking this legacy forward. So it's very important that we all try to make this a healthy environment, which I'm only learning after having got exhausted myself, that if I'm feeling the nerves and the tension and the exhaustion, I don't know what the others are going through. And it's going to be so important for us to remain sane so that more and more of the next gen decides to follow suit in the footsteps of those in their family who are already in this industry. Rituraj sir is writing, ask me. I know, sir. I really feel that we need to do something and make this an industry that the next gen wants to be a part of. I'm happy that we have everyone from outside wanting to be a part of this industry. But I really wish that there are more legacy stories that we are able to create. I have Hemang here. Hello ma'am, good evening. I'm interested in the event management, and I believe this is the best line for me. Hemang, it's honestly a great line. I don't know if it's the best line for you, best industry for you, because I don't know you personally, but I can only tell you one thing. You will need to be a person who is going to love to, while you love the creative side, you should be a person who loves the service industry, who is happy to be available at someone's beck and call. You are somebody who is great at visualizing and then ready to work hard to make that visualization a reality. And you're somebody who's okay to be in the queue and wait for your turn to get that right opportunity. There's a lot that's going to go into you being suitable for the event industry, Hemang, but get started somewhere. Enroll with some kind of a course, whether it's in event management or wedding planning, and study whilst you're getting a chance to freelance. I'm sure that's the shortcut that everyone loves to do, but I think nothing can replace classroom, nothing can replace a professional faculty coming and telling you what to do and how to do it. So keep education as the foremost important requirement, Hemang, and keep going at it. And please try to understand the back end and not just want to be on ground. That's just my one piece of advice I'll give you as somebody who spent 24 years in this industry. I know a lot of people think it's just happened overnight, but it hasn't. 24 years is what I've spent only in the space of events. If I have to take my modeling career into account, it's almost at 28 years. So that's yeah. I'm not that old. I started very young. I've got Anamika here. Hi, Anamika. You enrolled for the course already? Looking forward. Hey, Anamika. Please tell me, where are you from? I've been asking Deepika to send me details, but she's been so busy talking to everyone. I'd love to know where are you from, and I just want to tell you, thank you so much for trusting me and the brand TWS and enrolling with us. And I'm very confident that you will not be disappointed, and I'm equally sure that you are really going to be molded in a way that you're just right for this industry, and you will do very well with us. So thank you for your faith, and I'm looking forward to meeting you. Rituraj sir, will talk, have thought of something and started it too. Sir, don't tell me it's meditation, because I tried meditation. That's not my scene. But definitely I think respectably accepting work and also equally confidently refuting work that does not give us comfort is one measure that I think we as a company have taken over the last 18 months, and I don't think we regret that. That means lesser work, but that definitely means we are able to actually not lesser work. I'm just realizing we have been quite overworked, but we are spending happier moments with clients who are ready to respect us for what we get on board. And I think at the end that should be a priority that's calling you as an organization. But for those who are individually starting out, who are still just joined a company, be ready for a struggle phase of 2 years, and then you will see how you're reaping the benefits. Abhilasha, looking forward for wow, meticulously crafted with passion and precision. Thank you so much for these amazing kind words. I don't know, I feel overwhelmed. I was just with probably the most important person, the heart and soul of wow, Mr. Deepak Chaudhary, and he was introducing me to someone just a couple of minutes back, and I was so overwhelmed with the way I get spoken about, and I can only thank God and everyone involved for giving me that opportunity to be able to create something where the passion and precision gets noticed. And I can tell you one thing, we are working on something really interesting, and we make WOW unique for a different reason this year. Every year there's been a different surprise element, and this time around we're working on something that's going to be so minute that it's not going to be on the face for you to notice what we've done, but it will have its impact on you, and that's really going to be a success for us if without speaking too much it gets delivered. So yeah, I'm equally nervous but excited as well. Anamika, you're from Guwahati, Assam. Lovely. Rituraj sir is saying no. I'm assuming, sir, you're saying no to yoga because I know that's not you, nor is it me. Not that yoga is bad, but I think I don't have the patience for that. Jalang Hemang is writing, and my cousin has also got certified here. Okay, that's great. Hemang, where have you got this certificate from? If you can tell me what has your cousin studied and what are you planning to study, it'll be nice to chat with you. Flowers by Karishma, hi, hope you're doing well. Dylan is writing, do you have an online class? Yes, 100%, it is an online class. We shifted to the online format 3 years back due to COVID, but honestly extremely happy because we are able to do live online courses. These are not pre-recorded sessions, they are live online, where we teach you softwares that are required for somebody who wants to get in the space of design decor, where we teach you PowerPoint, Excel sheets, how to make an RSVP sheet, how to make a production sheet, how to make a budget sheet. All of this is taught to you through our courses, and I'm excited because we always manage to get students like Anamika, who is with us right now. She stays in Guwahati, and I feel so happy that we were able to adapt to using the online tools, because Anamika does not need to relocate in Mumbai in order to study wedding planning with the wedding school. She can be in the comfort of her home, and yet she can learn with us, and she gets to do an internship in a place of her choice, either in Guwahati or any city that she selects, and we give her an internship opportunity over there for 2 months. It's a lot of effort. It's not as easy as it sounds, but I definitely was sure that we have to make life easier for the youngsters. And gone are the days when you had to be in a Mumbai or a Delhi or a Bangalore to make your life. You can make your life from any corner of this world as long as you are determined and you are signing up with the right institute that can do justice to the faith you're giving, because you have not even come to my school and you're signing up with me, and that means there's a lot that's riding on how much I can deliver to you as a brand called The Wedding School. So Dylan, you can definitely write into us for more details. Just drop us a hi on Insta and we'll DM you the details. Hemang is writing, my cousin has also got diploma course from wedding class, Mr. Siddhant Agarwal. Oh yeah, Siddhant is a student from last year. I hope he's doing well, and I think the last I'd spoken to him was during the convocation when he had just done or he was about to do a wedding in Mayfair, Guwahati. It's good to hear from you, Hemang, and I hope you're going to be joining the TWS family just like your cousin, and I hope you're going to be joining his business and helping him with the same. I've got Pooja Jain here. Hi Pooja. And I'm saying hello to everyone, guys. It's a hello to everyone. Does the online classes have placement opportunities as well? Yes, it does. Staying in another city, it's difficult for me to pick up the hybrid course. Pooja, you'll have to write into me quickly which city do you belong to. As far as the online classes that we conduct are concerned, we have two kinds of courses. The live online is the one which is a 4-month course where we assist you with placements and internship. The hybrid course is the one in which we assure you internships, and we are the ones who write into different companies and get you and secure you for an internship of 2 months, which obviously with your dedicated efforts you can convert into a placement. And we do give placement assistance to all our ex-students through a tribe that we have created called the TWS tribe, where even our students from the first and the second batch 6 years back are still in touch with us. In fact, some of our ex-students have actually hired from the institute the current batch students. So that's how the journey is going on and on. It's a great community that we've been able to build. So you are growing in your knowledge, exposure and network. That's what TWS does to you. Dylan is asking how can we join the class. So Dylan, we have our website which you can go and check out. You can just write to us on Insta, just DM us a hello, and if you are comfortable you can share your number and we will WhatsApp you all the details. And the course is starting on the 20th of July and we have already started with the admissions. So far we have a batch of 20 that's signed up and waiting to sign up more. Hemang is here. Yes, he's doing very well and he has done a huge event. Please give my regards to him and let him know that I was remembering him. Yeah. Okay, waving to everyone. I think it's going to be time for me to sign off for now, as I look forward to chatting up with you next Friday. And tomorrow we are doing a special counseling session which is going to be on Zoom. So if anyone's interested in joining that, you can DM us a hello and we will definitely send you the details, and you can meet me live tomorrow at 11:30 on a Zoom call where I will be explaining the different kinds of opportunities that the wedding industry can offer you. What is it like to have a career in weddings? What is the course about, etc., etc. Hemang, I'll see you soon. What is the age limit? There's no age limit, but we encourage only 12 plus to join us. And most of our students are in the age bracket of 18 to 32. And of course, we have a lot of mothers who had taken a sabbatical who also have joined the course post the age of 38. I think my oldest has been somebody who was 44 years old, which is pretty young, I would say. So yeah, that's what it is. So those who are studying undergrad can also do the course alongside, and those who are looking at a full-time career and want a job, this would be the best way to get started, no matter which city you are in. Okay guys, I'm going to sign off for now. Keep showing your love to the wedding school and to me, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you once again, and loads of love to all of you. Bye.